Welcome to Lakhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on IIBF new pattern exam on 2022. Let's start now. Welcome to Lakhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSC IIBF new pattern exam question and answers in English 2022. Presented by Lakhidev Das 9101046197 Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center KCTC Okajan Santipur PO Okajan PS Silapathar District Dhemaji Assam PIN 787059. Question number 1. We should keep our saving with banks because option A, it is safe, option B, earns interest, option C, can be withdrawn anytime, option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 2. Bank does not give loans against option A, gold ornaments, option B, LIC policy, option C, lottery ticket, option D, NSC. The right answer is option C, lottery ticket. Question number 3. Bank having maximum number of branches in India. Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Punjab National Bank. Option D, Bank of Baroda. The right answer is option B, State Bank of India. Question number 4. 100 rupee note is signed by option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Finance Minister. Option C, RBI Governor. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, RBI Governor. Question number 5. ATM password should be kept in option A, personal diary, option B, office diary, option C, memory, option D, all of above. The right answer is option C, memory. Question number 6. ATM password to be shared only with option A, spouse, option B, obedient son, option C, obedient daughter, option D, none of above. The right answer is option D, none of above. Question number 7. Nominee can be done in option A, saving bank account, option B, recurring deposit account, option C, fixed deposit account, option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. All question or answers is I have given red color this right answer. Question number 8. Who is the present governor of RBI? Option A, K.C. Chakraborty, option B, D.K. Mithal, option C, Sankanta Das, option D, Matek Singh Aluhulia. The right answer is option C, Shaktikanta Das. Question number 9. Is the logo of option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, option B, Central Bank of India, option C, Reserve Bank of India, option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Question number 10. Minimum age required to open SBI account in the bank. Option A, 8 years, option B, 10 years, option C, 12 years, option D, none of above. The right answer is option B, 10 years. Question number 11. Bank does not provide loans for option A, corona law, option B, education loans, option C, home loans, option D, drinking and gambling. And the right answer is option D, drinking and gambling. Question number 12. KYC means option A, know your customer, option B, know your character, option C, both of above or about, option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, know your customer. Question number 13. Loans from money lenders are option A, with high rate of interest, option B, no proper accounting, option C, no transparency, option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 14. ATM means option A, anytime money, option B, auto track of Mahindra, option C, anytime, option D, none of above. The right answer is option D, none of above. Question number 15. Timely repayment of loan results. Option A, good reputation, option B, no tension, option C, easily availability of loan in future, option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 16. Defaulter of loan means option A, not paying loan installments, option B, bad reputation, option C, illegal activities, option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, not paying loan installments. Question number 17. Life insurance means option A, insurance of human. Option B, insurance of life of human and cattle. Option C, insurance of life machines. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option A, insurance of human. Question number 18. General insurance related to insurance against option A, fire. Option B, theft. Option C, burglary. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 19. Aadhaar is option A, 12-digit number card. Option B, identity proof issued by UIDAI. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 20. E or S means option A, east or south zone. Option B, easy and swift. Option B, easy and swift. Option C, idea or survivor. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, idea or survivor. Question number 21. Which is the prohibited for writing on currency notes? Option A, political message. Option B, religious message. Option C, personal message. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 22. PPF means option A, pension planning funds. Option B, person having pension facilities. Option C, public provident fund. Option D, permanent practitioners firm. The right answer is option C, public provident fund. Question number 23. Highest denomination of currency note issued by RBI is option A, 100, option B, 500, option C, 1000, option D, 10,000. The right answer is option C, 1000. Question number 24. NRI means option A, non-rural individuals. Option B, non-rural immigrants. Option C, non-resident Indian. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, non-resident India. Question number 25. PAN means option A, kind of essential. Option B, primary account number. Option C, none of above. The right answer is option C, none of above. Question number 26. Who is the present Union Finance Minister of India? Option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Option B, Sri Raghunath Singh. Option C, Sri Mandhar Parmikar. Option D, Sri Suresh Prabhu. The right answer is option A, Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 27. Bank provides loans for option A, home. Option B, car. Option C, education. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 28. Which currency note has a security threat? Option A, 50 rupees. Option B, 100 rupees. Option C, 500 rupees. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 29. The safest place of keeping money? Option A pit dug in the ground. Option B, an iron box. Option C, bank. Option D, money lender. The right answer is option C, bank. Question number 30. Gold and silver ornaments should be kept in the bank locker. Option A, it is safe. Option B, no risk of theft. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 31. Currency notes are issued by option A, RBI. Option B, NABARD. Option C, public sector banks. Option D, central government. The right answer is option A, RBI. Question number 32. Coins are issued by option A, Government of India. Option B, NABARD. Option C, public sector banks. Option D, State Bank of India. The right answer is option A, Government of India. Question number 33. Bank passbook is option A, issued by bank. Option B, contains transaction details of bank account. Option C, shows balance in account. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 34. Bank pays interest on option A, deposits. Option B, loans. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, deposits. Question number 35. Banks charge interest on option A deposit, option B loans, option C both A and B, option D none of above. The right answer is option B loans. Question number 36. Education loans, option A cover tuition fees and expenses, option B are repayable after completion of course, option C granted for studies in India and abroad, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 37. Business correspondence means option A an agent who provides banking services, option B an agent of business houses, option C a type of money lender, option D none of above. The right answer is option A an agent who provides banking services. Question number 38. Interest banking refers to option A operation of account thought, option B ATM account, option C both A and B, option D none of above. The right answer is option A operation of account thought. Question number 39. Nominee once done can option A not be cancel, option B be cancel, option C not be changed, option D none of above. The right answer is option B be cancel. Question number 40. Who can open a bank account? Option A Indian citizen, option B non-resident Indian, option C illiterate, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 41. All-time deposit scheme, option A 50,000, option B deposit expenses of rupees 1 lakh, option C deposit rupees 50,000, option D all transaction above. The right answer is option C deposit rupees of 50,000. Question number 42. TDS means option A time deposit scheme, option B total deposit scheme, option C tax deducted at source, option D none of above. The right answer is option C tax deducted at source. Question number 43. Maximum amount of check, option A rupees 1 crore 100 crore, option B no limit, option C rupees 1 crore, option D none of above. The right answer is option B no limit. Question number 44. Bank draft is issued by option A private sector banks, option B regional rural banks, option C public sector banks, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 45. Self-help group involves option A group of 5 to 20 people, option B regular saving habits, option C enter lending within the group members, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 46. Payment of check can be stopped by option A beneficiary, option B nominee, option C drawer of check, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 47. Account pay check can be paid. Option A at cash counter of bank, option B at ATM, option C by deposit in bank account, option D none of above. The right answer is option C by deposit in bank account. Question number 48. In recurring deposit, option A fixed sum is deposit every month, option B period of deposit is a fixed tenure, option C interest of paid at FDRA rate, option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 49. While making a nomination, the signature of the nominee is required on option A account opening form, option B nomination form, option C affidavit, option D none of above. The right answer is option D none of above. Question number 50. Interest on saving bank deposit is paid option A every month, option B quarterly, option C half yearly, option D yearly. The right answer is option C half yearly. Question number 51. Multi-tab notes, option A should be, option B should be thrown away, option C should be thrown, option D none of above. The right answer is option C should be thrown. 52 question. ATM can be used for option A cash withdrawal, option B account inquiry, option C statement of account, option D all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 53. Upon detection of counterfeit note at the counter bank, option A, return the notes to the customer. Option B, exchange with a genuine note. Option C, deposit in account. Option D, impound the note and issue receipt. The right answer is option D, impound the note and issue receipt. Question number 54. Fixed deposit can, option A, not be withdrawn before maturity. Option B, paid only after maturity. Option C, withdraw before maturity. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option C, withdraw before maturity. Question number 55. Interest on FDRS is compounded on, option A, monthly basis. Option B, quarterly basis. Option C, half yearly basis. Option D, yearly basis. The right answer is option B, quarterly basis. Question number 56. Contents of the locker are, option A, only known for here. Option B, known to bank. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, only known to here. Question number 57. If locker rent is not paid, the bank can, option A, seal the locker. Option B, stop operation of locker. Option C, break open the locker after giving suitable notice. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 58. MGNREGA stand for, option A, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Generation Scheme. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi National and Rural Employment Generation Scheme. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Question number 59. Maximum tenure of fixed deposit is, option A, 5 years. Option B, 7 years. Option C, 8 years. Option D, 10 years. The right answer is option D, 10 years. Question number 60. What is the RuPay debit card? Option A, domestic debit card. Option B, introduced by National Payments Corporation of India. Option C, accepted at all ATMs, post machines. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 61. To whom overdraft facility of 5,000 in PMJDY account is available? Option A, after 6 months of satisfactory conduct of account. Option B, 1 account per household. Option C, customer in age group of 18 to 60 years. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 62. What is the direct benefit transfer? Option A, cash discount on goods. Option B, remittance through banks. Option C, transfer of social benefit oblique subsidies directly in bank accounts of beneficiaries. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option C, transfer of social benefits oblique subsidies directly in bank accounts of beneficiaries. Question number 63. What is the meaning of Aadhaar sending? Option A, link of Aadhaar with bank account. Option B, duplicate insurance of Aadhaar. Option C, transfer of Aadhaar. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, linking of Aadhaar with bank account. Question number 64. What are the benefits attached of PMJDY? Option A, accident insurance cover of rupees 1 lakh. Option B, life insurance cover of 30,000. Option C, overdraft facility up to 5,000. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 65. Who can open account under PMJDY? Option A, minor above the age of 10 years. Option B, only lady of the house. Option C, only head of the family. Option D, all of above. The right answer is option D, all of above. Question number 66. Who is Bank Mitra? Option A, banking correspondents engaged by banks. Option B, valuable customer of bank. Option C, security guard in a bank, in a branch. Option D, none of above. The right answer is option A, bank correspondent engaged by banks. Question number 67. What is the maximum amount of deposit acceptable in small account? Option A 10,000 rupees 30,000. Option B rupees 40,000. Option C rupees 50,000. Option D none of above. The right answer is option C rupees 50,000. Question number 68. What kind of service are available fees in basic saving bank deposit account? Option A receive oblique credit of money through NEFT oblique RTGS. Option B no annual maintenance charges on ATM cum debit card. Option C 4 withdrawals in a month including an ATM withdrawals. Option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 69. What is the minimum deposit required while opening a BSBD account? Option A rupees 100. Option B no minimum deposit required. Option C rupees 1000. Option D rupees 500. The right answer is option B no minimum deposit required. Question number 70. What is Atal Pension Yojana APY? Option A provides social security to the unorganized sectors. Option B encourage workers to voluntarily save for their retirement. Option C fixed pension is paid on attaining age of 60 years. Option D all of above. The right answer is option D all of above. Question number 71. What is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? Option A accidental insurance cover. Option B life insurance cover. Option C overdraft up to rupees 5,000. Option D none of above. The right answer is option A accidental insurance cover. Question number 72. What is the Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana PMJJBY? Option A cover life insurance up to rupees 2 lakhs. Option B accident insurance cover. Option C none of above. The right answer is option A cover life insurance up to rupees 2 lakhs. Question number 73. Which type of deposit earns a higher interest rate? Option A current account. Option B saving account. Option C fixed deposit. Option D none of above. The right answer is option C fixed deposits. Question number 74. Under PMSBY an accidental death claim is available for option A rupees 1 lakhs, option B rupees 2 lakhs, option C rupees 3 lakhs, option D none of above. The right answer is option B rupees 2 lakhs. Question number 75. What is the validity period of the check? Option A 4 months from date of issue. Option B 3 months of date of issue. Option C 1 month of date of issue. Option D unlimited. The right answer is option B 3 months from date of issue. Question number 76. Under PMSBY partial disability claim is available for option A rupees 50,000, option B rupees 1 lakhs, option C rupees 2 lakhs, option D none of above. The right answer is option B rupees 1 lakhs. Question number 77. Can an illiterate person be issued a debit card? Option A no, option B yes, option C only in case of joint account, option D only in case he is head of family. The right answer is option B yes. Question number 78. Under APY their fixed pension can be shown from option A rupees 1,000, rupees 2,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 4,000, rupees 5,000. Option B rupees 2,000, rupees 3,000. Option C rupees 4,000, rupees 5,000, rupees 6,000, rupees 500, rupees 1,000, rupees 2,000, rupees. Option D rupees 3,000, rupees 4,000, none of above. The right answer is option A rupees 1,000, rupees 2,000, rupees 3,000, rupees 4,000, rupees 5,000. Question number 79. PMJDY LIC insurance of rupees 30,000 is available for first time account open. Option A on 15 August 2014. Option B on 26 January 2015. On option C between 15 August 2014 and 26 January 2015. Option D none of above. The right answer is option C between 15 August 2014 and 26 January 2015. Question number 80. Are not covered under PMJDY life insurance scheme of rupees 30,000. Option A. Employees of central oblique state government oblique public sector undertakings oblique banks. Option B. Income tax pay. Option C. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana beneficiaries. Option D. All of above. The right answer is option D. All of above. Question number 81. What does PMMY stand for? Option A. Pradhan Mantri Mani Yojana. Option B. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Option D. Primary Money Market Yojana. The right answer is option B. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Question number 82. What is the maximum loan amount available under PMMY? Option A. Rupees 50 lakhs, 5 lakhs. Option B. 10 lakhs. Option C. 50 lakhs. The right answer is option B. 10 lakhs. Question number 83. How much loan can be available under the Shishu category? Option A. 10,000. Option B. 50,000. Option C. 1 lakhs. The right answer is option B. 50,000. Question number 84. A loan of 5 lakhs is covered under which category? Option A. Shishu. Option B. Kishore. Option C. Torun. The right answer is option B. Kishore. Question number 85. What is the purpose for which mudra loan can be able for carrying on any activity related to? Option A. Manufacturing, processing, trading, services. Option B. Personal loan. Option C. Investment, shares, commodities and primary or secondary market. The right answer is option A. Manufacturing, processing, trading, service. Question number 86. PMMY loan is given for which purpose? Option A. Income generation purpose. Option B. Consumption purpose. Option C. Both of above. The right answer is option A. Income generation purpose. Question number 87. What are the collateral oblique securities to be kept with banks for getting loans for MSE under PMMY? Option A. Mortgage of movable or immovable assets. Option B. Third party guarantee. Option D. Nil. The right answer is option C. Nil. Question number 88. Who can avail of the PMMY loans? Option A. Any Indian citizen. Option B. Any firm, body, corporate, company or any other entity incorporated in India. Option C. Both A and B and C. The right answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 89. From where the PMMY loan can be availed? Option A. Public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, cooperative banks, RRBs, NBFS and MFIs. Option B. Directly from Mudra. Option C. Both A and B. The right answer is option A. Public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, cooperative banks, RRBs, NBFS and MFIs. Question number 90. PMMY loan can be available from the bank in which? Option A. The customer has the banking relation the bank. Option B. The customer does not have their pure banking relationship, saving oblique current account with the bank. Option C. Both A and C. The right answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 91. What is the rule of Mudra under PMMY loans? Option A. Mudra is direct lending institution and lends to small oblique micro units entrepreneurs directly for PMMY. Option B. Act as a refinance agency and refinances to all banks, NBFS, MFIs for onward lending to customers under defined categories of PMMY loan as per need of the customer. Option C. Mudra is regulator of banks. The right answer is option B. Act as a refinance agency and refinance to all banks, NBFS, MFIs onward lending to customers under defined categories of PMMY loans as per need of the customer. Question number 92. The borrowers can avail of the credit in a hassle-free and flexible manner with the Mudra card, which is a option A debit card and sanction limit, option B debit card, option C ordinary debit card. The right answer is option A debit card with sanction limit. Question number 93. Mudra card is debit card on which payment platform? Option A RuPay Visa, option B MasterCard. The right answer is option A RuPay Visa. Question number 94. What is the use of the Mudra card and how it can be used? Option A in drawing cash from ATM or business correspondent. Option B make phrases using point sale post machine. Option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 95. Who issued the Mudra card to the customer? Option A Bank either direct or in a associate with MFIs. Option B MFIs directly. Option C Mudra. The right answer is option A Bank either directly or in association with MFIs. Question number 96. PMMY loans are applicable to option A all banks all over India. Option B within the notified areas oblique location in India. Option C all banks all over India and abroad. The right answer is option A all banks all over India. Question number 97. What are the interest rate of the PMMY loans extended by banks, NBFS, MFIs to the borrowers? Option A reasonable rates decided by lending banks, NBFS, MFIs that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Option B the rates as prescribed by Mudra. Option C uniform rates as stipulated by the RBI. The right answer is option A reasonable rates decided by lending banks, NBFS, MFIs that should fall within the overall RBI guidelines. Question number 98. PPMY loans are provided for what tenure? Option A 1 year, option B 2 year, option C depends on cash flows of the business and decided by lending institution. The right answer is option C depend on cash flows of the business and decided by the lending institution. Question number 99. What is the governance recital mechanism available against bank official in event of non-sanction of loan? Option A the matter can be escalated to the next higher office region oblique zone on the bank. Option B customer can register complaint on bank's nodal officer, PMMY or PMMY mission office or PMMY toll free. The right option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 100. What are the documents that are required to be submitted for availing loans under Mudra? Option A standard loan application form. Option B KYC on the document as many required as per internal guidelines of lending banks, NBFS, MFI. Option C both of above. The right answer is option C both of above. Question number 101. Who monitors the implementation of PMMY progress at the national level? Option A Mudra oblique Department of Financial Service. Option B state level bankers committee SLBC. Option C both. The right answer is option A Mudra oblique Department of Financial Service. 101. Where are the frequently asked question FQs on PMMY loans available for the information of the lending institution oblique public? Option A DFS website. Option B PMO website. Option C Mudra website. The right answer is option C Mudra website. Question number 103. Simple project profit profiles for running or setting up a micro oblique small enterprises is available at option A DFS website, option B Mudra website, option C PMO website. The right answer is option B Mudra website. Question number 104. Mudra has been set up by whom? Option A, Government of India. Option B, RBI. Option C, SEBI. The right answer is option A, Government of India. Question number 105. The loan sanctioned by bank / NBFS / MFIS on the after up to 10 lakhs for small business income grant generating activities are known as PMMY loans. Option A, 18 March 2015. Option B, 8 April 2015. Option C, 20 May 2015. The right answer is option B, 8 April 2015. Question number 106. What is the amount of ABADA facility sanctioned under PMJDY is classified as Mudra loans under PMMY? Option A, 5,000 rupees, 10,000, option C, rupees 15,000. Right answer is option A, rupees 5,000. Question number 107. Who is the eligible to get the Mudra loans under PMMY out of the following jobs? Option A, large corporates. Option B, municipal corporation. Option C, small food vendors, vegetables sellers, etc. The right answer is option C, small food vendors, vegetable sellers, etc. Question number 108. Total loan sanction / disbursed under PMMY is accessible for information of the banks / NBFS / MFIS general public at large. Option A, DFS website. Option B, Mudra portal. Option C, PMO website. The right answer is option B, Mudra portal. Question number 109. All PMMY loans will be governed by formulated by Mudra in constitution with DFS rating agencies, MFIN and Swadhan and other stockholders for adoption by all the lending institutions. Option A, Mudra Loan Code of Lending. Option B, Mudra Loan Charter. Option C, PMMY Loan Charter. The right answer is option C, B, Mudra Loan Charter. Mudra Loan Charter. Question number 110. Mudra scheme is applicable to which type of MSE business under the income generation purpose? Option A, newly startups. Option B, exciting business for expansion or upgradation. Option C, both A and B. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Thank you so much. If you want to PDF file, then I have given the description my WhatsApp number. Contact me and subscribe my channel.